Alrighty guys, welcome back today. So as you can see, we have a cracked storage box as my place that the rack is supposed to be, well, where you sit on, it's not there and someone sat and it broke. It don't matter what size you are, it's gonna break if it doesn't have that. So let's get to fixing. Making the holes a little bit bigger. Okay, it should be good. Get out our bag of zip ties. Grab one. Just kind of go like this. Shove the zip tie through. If you have to, just lift it up like this. Okay. Now, shh! Ay, my cat. Okay, let's clip this one right here. These aren't the sharpest ones. Let's do one right here. Grab another one like so. Put it, same process, put it through, like so. Fix this thing before it gets fully tight. The snippers. It's getting there. Okay, trim up this a little bit. Alright. Got another one here. Another going here. At least I got 100 pack of zip ties. We're getting there. Don't mind the haywire there. I'm kind of just really pro at doing this. I'm gonna get in a time lapse, finish the rest. So yeah. Alrighty, got my storage box all zip tied. Pretty strong again. At least I'd like to say so myself. Yeah, it turned out good. Thanks for watching, and yeah, catch you guys on the next one.